Just minutes north of Kemmerer, Wyoming, this 40-acre recreational property offers rolling high plains, abundant wildlife, and plenty of outdoor adventure. Ideal for hunting or off-grid living, the property is abundant with many types of large and small game. With easy access and proximity to Bridger National Forest and BLM lands, it's a perfect spot for a recreation cabin or an off-grid home. The property has excellent access in the summer, located just 1.5 miles off the paved highway, and can be reached in the winter by snowmobile or track machine. Its location near thousands of acres of BLM land and the Bridger National Forest provides endless opportunities for outdoor activities like hunting, hiking, and ATV riding. Whether you're looking for a remote getaway, a base for recreation, or a self-sufficient living site, this land offers space, privacy, and access to Wyoming's rugged outdoors. The property is located less than 15 miles north of Kemmerer, Wyoming, offering easy access to town while providing a remote and private setting. It is approximately 150 miles south of Yellowstone National Park and about 130 miles northeast of Salt Lake City, making it an excellent base for regional outdoor adventures while still being within reach of major destinations. You don't want to miss your chance to own this 40-acre prime hunting and outdoor recreation land. For a private qualified showing, call Jesse Webb at 307-840-5491 today.